Hey guys, Josh Freilich here, and tonight we're going to work a little bit on long gun start positions, port arms and low ready. When I work with new shooters, a lot of times I'll notice that their first shot is typically 1.5 seconds, 2 seconds on close range targets, which is completely unnecessary if you just get the right technique down. It doesn't even take skill, it's just the right technique. And so what we're going to do tonight is work on that port arms and low ready shooting positions. So let's get right to it. If I'm going to do a port arms start, stock on belt, muzzle at about head height, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up right on that Shoot Steel auto popper, and I'm going to drive the muzzle into the target as I bring the gun up. So I'm just continuing to ride that muzzle into the target until the gun gets flat, bring it back in my shoulder and rip a shot. So I'll show you what that looks like slow, and then we'll go a little faster. So bring the gun up, as it comes up, fire your shot. So the moment I get the gun level and drive into my shoulder, I'm ready to fire because my muzzle's been tracking on that target the whole time. Go a little faster. So we're running about 0.6, 0.65 on port arm starts, and I've got steel at 7 yards. It's not a tough shot. But the idea here is just ride the muzzle into the target on a port arm start. Just drive it straight forward, back into the shoulder, and you'll be lined up and ready to shoot quickly. All right, second position we're going to work on tonight is low ready start position. So what you're going to want to do with low ready start position is, again, have your hips lined up, your body lined up with that first target, right? So that you don't have to swivel your hips at all in order to line up. I'm going to make ready, looking at the target, through the optic or down the barrel, through over the bead, whatever. Bring the gun down, leaving my head in position so that I know that all I have to do is bring the gun up to my eye, and my body, my head, everything is in position to fire that in the first shot, okay? So on target, make ready, low ready, bring the gun up and fire. Again, no wasted movement, nice and fast. I'll show you what that looks like on that popper. Yeah, straightforward, no wasted movements. We'll go a little faster. Again, running about 0.5 second first shot, simply because I lined up with the target. I don't have extra movement, and I shoot as soon as I'm ready. So it doesn't take a lot of skill. It's simply the technique that you need to be successful.